Hey guys, welcome to this video lecture. In this episode, we are going to see how to insert in the binary search tree. We know that a binary search tree is a binary tree where the elements at the right hand side, they are greater, okay, and the element at the left hand side of a tree or the left subtree, they are smaller. So now using this constraint, we are going to build a binary tree and it is going to be known as binary search tree because it facilitates us the binary search operation. So we can carry out the binary search operation on a sorted list or sorted array, and we can even build a tree. It is known as binary search tree, and the time required for searching is very less. So I have already defined the node as well as in order traversal here. So we are going to reuse these two cells, and I'm not going to type in that code again. We are directly going to type in the code that is going to insert the node. Okay, so here root comma key. So if root is none, then let us say return node of key. Okay, so this is the base case for our recursion. Else if root dot val equals to key, return root. Elif root dot val is less than key, then we are going to say root dot write equals to insert root dot write comma key, and finally we are going to write the else part. So you must have guessed the else part. That is very easy. Left, and then let us say return root. So this way we can have the insert function. Okay, so this is the base case of the recursion, and these two are the recursive calls. So the value of the node is less than the key, then make that key the right subtree, otherwise make it the left subtree. Okay, so let us go ahead and execute this. Now we are going to use this to insert in a binary search tree. Or if I'm going to use this with the nodes, then it is going to create the binary search tree. That would be more appropriate statement. So let us go ahead and create a node root equals to node 50. Now I'm going to say insert root comma 30. So it is going to become the left subtree, and similarly I can have multiple insert statements: 20, 40, 70, 20, 40, 70, 60 and 80. So here we have 60 and here we have 80. So now if I execute this, it is going to create a binary search tree, and after that we are going to say in order, which we have defined earlier. Okay, so in the earlier episodes we had defined this in order, and if I execute this, it is going to print the in order traversal of the given tree. So it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So basically it is going to print it in the ascending order, and this is the in order traversal, and it is very convenient for us to perform the binary search either on this list or on this particular tree. So this is how we can construct a binary search tree with this particular function insert. So for your convenience, we can just say insert BST. That is that insert binary search tree. And let me say this thing, okay? So for our convenience and understanding, and here also I'm going to make modifications, binary search tree. And if I execute this, and if I execute this, and execute this, the output is going to be the same. So this is how we can insert in a binary search tree. So I hope that you have understood this episode. The concepts that I have explained and demonstrated in these episodes are very easy to understand and implement. Thanks a lot for watching this video lecture. Do let me know if you have any questions or queries in the comment section down below. In case you want to download the code, then you can find the link to the repository of all the code that I'm using in this series in the description section down below. Thanks a lot once again, and we will meet in the next episode.